Hello everyone, I am Piyush Jwala Prasad Mishra, a student of Information Technology at Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune. I recently completed my first year and would like to share my journey so far. My first year at VIT Pune has been full of learning. The curriculum is well structured and aligned with the industry needs. We studied subjects like web development, data analysis, and programming language like C and Python. One highlight was the subject scientific research method, where we learned about writing how to write research paper, filing patents, and how to publish it. And a standout feature at VIT is the applied science and engineering project. Each semester we work in team to build a real world project and present them to the external evaluators, including industry professionals and alumni. This practical exposure and expert feedback help us improve and think beyond the classroom. Our faculty members are highly supportive and approachable, guiding us through the academic projects. Special thanks to our director sir and HOD sir for the constant encouragement and visionary leadership. VIT also promote startup culture, hackathons and technical events. There are many clubs where we learn teamwork, leadership, public speaking, design, promoting all-round development. With students from various branches like computer science, AI/ML, data science, core engineering, other like civil mechanical, collaborate and learn from the diverse perspective. To anyone looking well-rounded engineering experience, I confidently recommended VIT Pune with a focus on projects, research, industry exposure, vibrant study life. It prepares you for the real world. Thank you. All the best.